Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Professor Padhe. Mannath Sri Jagannath, Madguru Sri Jagadguru, Madatma Sarvabhutatma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. I bow my head before all the gurus present over here, all the seniors, all the senior professors, academicians. I welcome you all to this first plenary session of 4th National Media Conclave 2020. Today's theme is participatory communication and participatory media, social accountability, and citizen empowerment. Focus point of today's discussion will be on participation, accountability, and empowerment. Today, we are privileged to have Professor Biswajit Das as our chairperson for this plenary session. Dr. Biswajit Das is a professor and founding director of Center for Culture, Media, and Governance. He has over 3 decades of teaching and research experiences in the field of theory, method, and history of communication in India. Prior to joining the center, he worked with national and international agencies in conducting communication research and training. Professor Das taught sociology of communication in Department of Sociology, Jamia Millia Islamia, offering courses on media and society, culture, media and society, and media education. Professor Das taught communication theory and development communication in SJK MCRC, Jamia Millia Islamia, Mudra Institute of Communication, Ahmedabad, and other central universities. Professor Das has been in the advisory board of several universities and colleges in devising course curriculum in sociology, media, and communication studies. Professor Das has been a visiting professor at York University, Toronto, South Korea Adjunct Professor Tezpur University, and fellow at the University of Windsor, Canada, fellow at MSH Paris, INALCO Paris, Charles Wallace Trust, London, and the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies, Simla, India. Professor Das has been a member of Innovation Council of Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Government of India, and member of Joint Committee constituted by University Grants Commission, UGC, MHRD, and Information and Broadcasting Ministry to monitor media-related courses in the country. He is the co-editor of the SAGE series of communication process, of which the first volume of Media and Mediation in 2005, the second one, the Social and the Symbolic in 2007, and the third one on Communication, Culture, and Confrontation in 2010. His recent book on Gandhian thought and communication is published from SAGE in 2020. Professor Das has published in various national and international journals. Professor Das is the founding president of All India Communication and Media Association in India and received Best Media Educator Award 2018 by Exchange for Media. I welcome you, sir, as the chairman of this plenary session, Professor Das. We have eminent speakers like Professor Binod Pavarala, Senior Professor of Communication and UNESCO Chair and Community Media, University of Hyderabad. He has dual masters in sociology and communication and a PhD from University of Pittsburgh, USA. He taught at the University of Pittsburgh and IIT Bombay before joining University of Hyderabad in 1995. He teaches development communication, cultural studies, and research methodology, currently researching and publishing on ICT's development and democracy. His book, co-authored with Kanchan K. Malik, Other Voices, The Struggle for Community Radio in India, was published by SAGE in 2007. He is also the author of Interpreting Corruption, Elite Perspectives in India, SAGE in 1997. He is the founder president of the Community Radio Forum India. He also leads the UNESCO Chair on Community Media. I welcome you, sir, to this plenary session. Professor Dr. Sonal Pandya with us. She is the professor and head Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. Professor Pandya has more than 2 decades of teaching and research experience. From the beginning, she was associated with the Gujarat University's Center for Development Communication. She had advocated for environmental protection, sustainable development, and participatory communication, gender equality, and women empowerment. Welcome you, ma'am, to this plenary session of this 4th National Media Conclave. We have another distinguished guest, Professor Dr. Devendra Sharma. Dr. Devendra Sharma is a professor of communication at California University, USA. He is also a fifth generation performer, writer, and director of Swang Nautanki, Ras Leela, Bhagat, and Rasya, the traditional Sangeet musical theatre genre of Northern India. Professor Sharma served as the chief creative consultant to the United Nations Joint Programs Project on HIV/AIDS from 2007 to 2008 in Bihar. Dr. Sharma trained over 150 folk theatre troupes to stage more than 10,000 musical performances. This has been one of the largest theatre campaigns for social change in history. Dr. Sharma has been invited as a visiting professor to number of American and Indian universities of repute. He is an artist, filmmaker, television content creator, and a researcher. I welcome you, sir, to this first plenary session. And along with us, another eminent speaker, another eminent scholar and media educator, Professor Dr. Ambarish Saxena, Professor and Dean, Delhi Metropolitan Education, Noida. Professor Saxena is a media educator, media practitioner, television presenter, and author and editor of more than 15 different books on various domains of media. He has also authored a number of books. He has been successfully organizing international media conferences in the title of ICANN. Recently, I had joined that conference. That was a proud privilege for me. During this COVID pandemic, he has been regularly organizing webinars on various issues related to media and mass communication. Welcome you, sir, to this plenary session. This is just a brief introduction of all the eminent speakers of today's plenary session. Now I request Professor Biswajit Das, the chairman of this session, to give his opening remarks on the plenary session.